He's doing good. Keep going like you're going.
Yeah, that's what he said you were doing good. I think you're on this side of it. You are. You're off. You're not going to hit that rock.
Nut.
It's about to stop in about 3 seconds. 1, 2. Woohoo! Wow. The second you move, it's coming down. And you can start going passenger. A little bit, not a whole lot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Big drop, big drop.